Hi, I'm Jerome Stenger in the Horticulture Department at the Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden, and we are outside here at the Insectarium Pollinator Garden. This garden is about 1 year old. What used to be a large swath of honeysuckle hillside, within a year we have transformed into one of our nicest pollinator gardens, using a lot of plants from our Plant for Pollinators pollinator kits from last year. So one of the main things to keep in mind when you're planting a pollinator garden, whether you have a large space like this or a smaller 5x5 plot, is to plant dense and plant tight. We're very conditioned to give our plants too much space, and we're very familiar looking at mulch, but we really want the plants to, within a few years of maturity, mingle together and create this ecological network for insects. Another thing that's really important for pollinator gardens is flower diversity. Very plain and simple, the more flower shapes, sizes, and colors you have, the more diversity of insects you're going to have. Now that's not always the case. Some flowers are sterile, so you want to do the research and look into that kind of stuff, and we can help with that. But you want to have a high diversity of plant material, not just native stuff. Some non-native plants, such as like salvias and mints and other herbs, and annuals like lantana and zinnia, really do a great job of extending the bloom season and offering pollinators nectar and pollen throughout the entire blooming season from March to November. Another important thing about pollinator gardens is we focus a lot on the colorful pollinator plants, but you really need a woody structure around your garden to create a functional habitat for nature. That includes host plants. Back here on the hillside we have a wall of spice bush planted, other native shrubs like bottlebrush buckeye, and a few other cool things nested in here that serve as host plants as well. So if you put all of those things together, keep an open mind about it, you can have a thriving pollinator garden in under a year.